So last week we talked about the 10 ways to maximize your rental income. But this week, what's it going to be, Will?
Well, this is where we ended off. We were trying to talk about squeezing every last dime out of your rental property. And today we are going to talk about one of my favorite subjects. That's going to be Airbnb. We are going to short-term rental this place. So what you see here, yeah, we can get what? Let's say how much a month?
$1,500 a month?
$1,500, that's, yeah.
It's a one bedroom.
Yes. Now, there's going to be a big difference when we turn it into something.
Like? Oh,
there we go.
Look at this.
Yep.
So this is a furnished Airbnb model, eh?
That's right.
Wow.
That's what it's all about. So really the difference is furniture. That's it. So we've taken the existing footprints. Granted, we started off with a decent renovation. We put in the vinyl plank floors, new kitchen, so on and so forth. But now, like I said before, to squeeze out a little bit more income, we're furnishing the place. And what this does to the income is essentially the rule of thumb is to double it. So
you were getting $1,500, now you're gonna get $3,000?
Yep. In the high season, we're getting even more than $3,000, but then of course it's offset by the low season, so averaging about $3,000, yeah.
Okay, so you're roughly getting just $1,500 extra per month, okay, right?
Yeah.
But what did it cost you to furnish this the way it is? It's a one bedroom.
Yeah. So this one bedroom, $10,000.
$10,000.
Yeah.
So if you're getting an extra $1,500 a month, how long is it going to take you to pay that back?
I'd say it's 6-7 months, like more or less.
That's
that you've
pretty
got
good.
It. Yeah. Yeah.
And this furniture lasts you roughly, what's your estimation?
Well, in the budget now, because Airbnb is a different model and it becomes more of an active form of investing. I wouldn't say it's like conventional real estate, which you can definitely treat it much more passively. Here, it does end up being a little bit more hands-on. And as such, you have to take into consideration the wear and tear of furniture. So certain items, like now you're considering a couch, maybe the couch lasts 2 years, some of the stools and so on, but you're working that into the income you're getting. So a little bit of that every month gets set aside in order to replace these things as they wear out.
So do you have like a checklist that you use to say, you know what, this unit, this one bedroom apartment needs the following items? Do you
Absolutely,
have
yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Are you willing to share that with our viewers?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, so you guys want to access this checklist, please go to the link below and sign up and we'll send you the checklist.
Yeah, there's a lot to consider.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and you know what? Overall, what does this do to your portfolio, your monthly cash flow?
Well, we're going to get into this a little bit more in some of the later episodes, but it really does help drive the bottom line. So
Yeah.
we're definitely improving the overall income of this apartment building. And that was one of the big things in terms of achieving financial freedom, in terms of getting a lot of money out of this particular building, which is why we wanted to do the whole series. So the checklist will definitely help you guys out because it goes down to the nitty gritty, everything from like the number of forks and knives, plates to linens, and all this stuff as well, from the TV and chairs and so on. So it'll give you a very thorough look in terms of what you need.
Awesome. All right, stay tuned till next week where we actually dive into some numbers.